Hi, this is Zaman here, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to set up your own private label product website on your web hosting and be in business as early as today. So, in this particular video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your sales letter and thank you page. So, without further ado, I want you to open up your latest private label product, and for all purpose and demonstration, this will be practiced on a product called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Although in actuality, you can use this for the past PLR products by PLR Extreme and even in the near future as well, because there's a consistent format that I always put out. And what you're learning in this video tutorial, you can also apply it to other PLR products that you have bought elsewhere, because at the end of the day, they're all pretty much similar setup. So in this case, I'm going to use Affiliate Marketing Blueprint as an example. I want you to look for a folder called Sales Letter. And typically, you will always see two documents called index and thank you page. Okay, index is actually the sales letter, and the thank you page is, well, self-explanatory, where your customer is going to end up downloading the product. Okay, to edit a HTML document, you need either Notepad or a HTML editor like Dreamweaver, which I'm going to show you in a while. So even if you have no HTML skills, that's totally fine, and that's what this video is all about. You only need to edit a few particular things. So I'm going to open my Dreamweaver and start editing the sales letter. I'm using a very old version of Dreamweaver, but again, like I said, it doesn't really matter. Even if you're using the newest version or an old version, that's totally fine, as long as you can edit the HTML page. You can download a trial version of this on the internet, or you can even download front page. That's totally up to you. Two things you really want to edit is putting in your name and the buy button. So let's do it the simplest one first. Adding your name to the sales page. So normally people sign their name at the bottom of the sales page. So I'm going to just sign mine here, Edmund Low. Okay. And I'm going to edit the font as well to make it consistent and stand out from the rest of the usual fonts here. So, okay, I've already signed my name here. See how easy that was? I'll cover how to add a buy button in another video, because adding a buy button really depends on the system that you use, be it PayPal, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or even something that is custom and I don't even know. Okay, so you've already signed your name on the sales page. That's totally awesome. Next thing you want to look at is your thank you page. Okay, it's normally just named simply thank you, but I advise you to rename this, because thank you is a very generic name and you want to avoid people guessing this website address too easily. So normally I would just come up with something that's random, composing of alphabets, dashes, and numbers. So I'm just going to make this up. All right, maybe BLAFF, 2015. Okay, I'm just making this up. Okay, so as you can see, this is not easy to guess anymore. And likewise, you want to edit this as well. There's actually nothing to really edit here except the link to your download, which is normally typically one zip file. So make sure that you put the URL of the download product over here. So I'm just going to go back to the actual product and actually start doing. So let's just say I want to include a book. Okay, I'm going to include a PDF book, the checklist, and say a free report as well, and a mind map. Okay, I want all this to be downloaded by my customer. So what I do is that I select all this and have it zipped up into a zip file. Okay, and okay, I've got a zip file over here. I'm going to move this to the same folder as sales letter and rename this as well. You don't want to make it too easy to guess, so maybe affiliate marketing blueprint. Okay, I'm just making this up again. All right, it's totally up to you to name it how you want. And back to the HTML editor, you want to make sure that the address goes to this. Okay, for some reason this is not working. Let me just try again. All right, amazing. All right, be sure to save this. Okay, you see how easy that was? You have just edited the sales page and you just added the link to your download page. See how easy that was, right? you're going to learn how to add the buy button in another video and ultimately upload everything to your web hosting account. So I'll see you in the next video.